Hello everyone. On TranZact, you might be having a doubt whether using TranZact for your business is free or you need to pay for it. Or now it is free and you'll be asked to pay in future. So how is it? We'll try our best to clear your doubts with the help of this video. For that, let's go to the settings module. Click on plans and pricing. On TranZact, we have various features which are absolutely free and you can use them for free for lifetime. You can start using TranZact without paying any cost. If your business requirements are met with a free plan, you can certainly go ahead and use it without any dubiety or any question that will be charged for the usage. This comes under our free plan or starter plan. Here, you get unlimited documentation, basic inventory management, chat support, and basic reports and business intelligence. This is best suited for the companies with turnover of less than 1 crore rupees. Here we have paid plans. Under inventory plan, along with the starter plan, you get barcode integration and tracking, document and inventory approval, delivery and payment reminders, advanced reports and business intelligence, custom fields and user access management. You can upgrade the plan by clicking on upgrade plan. After inventory plan, we have production plan. This is best suited for the companies with 5+ crore rupees turnover. Here, along with inventory plan, you get e-invoicing and tally integration, production planning, material resource planning, multi-level BOMs and BOM costing, work order and subcontracting, scrap tracking and finished goods testing. You can upgrade the plan by clicking on upgrade plan. Now comes our ultimate plan. This is best suited for the companies with 20+ crore rupees turnover. Along with inventory and production plan, you get dedicated account manager, high priority support, personalized workflows, and customized API integration. If you want to opt for this plan, you can raise a chat with us. Our chat agents will assist you accordingly. Now, if you scroll down, you can see our add-ons. So we have optional add-ons. You can opt these add-ons along with lifetime free plan, inventory plan, or production plan. The first add-on is paid implementation add-on. Here, we assign you a dedicated implementation partner who assists you and trains you and your team to transform your business into TranZact. Another add-on is tally integration. If you want tally integration feature, you can opt it along with lifetime free or inventory or production plan. For further query, you can raise a chat with us. For that, click on Get Help and click on Chat. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.